What does water give us? Water shapes the geology and topography and regulates the climate. It nourishes life. And creates human civilization. Water sustains the habitats of countless living things. Its flow propels history and culture and drives countries' economic development. Water is our most indispensable resource. To ensure the sustainability of Taiwan's water, we are taking vigorous action to develop reclaimed water and preserve our water supply indefinitely. The sustainable future of reclaimed water, the Fengshan Water Resources Center. The Fengshan Water Resources Center is responsible for treating domestic sewage from the Kaohsiung area. Apart from its sewage treatment plant, the center also includes Taiwan's first water reclamation plant. Additionally, it has specially established the Water Technology Education Center, which uses games and multimedia technology to convey the importance of water resources. Also, it provides environmental and ecological education in connection with the nearby Baoan Wetland Park, forming an educational exploration area with the theme of water reclamation. When sewage enters the Water Resources Center, it is first treated in the sewage treatment plant, where it becomes effluent that can be discharged into the environment. The effluent is then filtered in the water reclamation plant, which transforms it into reclaimed water that can be used again. The Water Resources Center produces 45,000 tons of reclaimed water each day, which is supplied to the nearby Linhai Industrial Park for further use. This has greatly increased the stability and flexibility of the water supply in the Kaohsiung area. First stop at the Water Resources Center, the sewage treatment plant. This plant has 5 processing units, which include 4 sewage treatment units and 1 sludge treatment processing unit. First, the preliminary treatment unit's coarse bar screen blocks any large debris and foreign matter in the sewage. Second, influent pumps are now used to pump up the sewage, so that the next purification process can rely on gravity to move the sewage. Afterwards, a fine bar screen is used to remove fine debris from the sewage. The aerated grit chamber relies on gravity and the current to perform sedimentation, and then pumps out any heavy sand. The sewage now enters the primary treatment unit. The primary sedimentation tank employs gravity and gradual sedimentation to remove suspended solids from the water, and uses a sludge scraper to scrape away the sludge that settles at the bottom. The chief mission of the secondary treatment unit is to harness microbes to reduce organic matter in the water. At this time, the anoxic tank and aerobic tank take turns playing roles and use different types of microbes to metabolize and decompose organic contaminants in the sewage. The secondary sedimentation tank now takes over to perform sedimentation, which separates the water from the sludge. The last stage is the disinfection and discharge unit. The disinfection tank adds chlorine to disinfect the effluent and eliminate any pathogens. This ensures that the effluent meets discharge standards. The effluent can now be discharged into a river or enter the recycling process. The sludge produced in the sewage treatment process now enters the sludge treatment process. a sludge concentration tank, anaerobic digestion tank, sludge dewatering machine, and sludge dryer team up to greatly reduce the amount of water in the sludge while also reducing the volume of sludge. At the same time, the methane gas produced during this stage is used for fuel for equipment in the plant, which effectively recovers and reuses energy. Meanwhile, the treated effluent enters the water reclamation plant, where it is processed in a 4-step treatment system and becomes reclaimed water. This treatment system includes a rapid filter system, ultrafiltration system, reverse osmosis system, and transmission and distribution system. The rapid filter system is composed of 5 rapid sand filters. This system relies on quartz sand filters to perform filtration. The sand filter layer removes fine suspended particles from the water, which lessens the turbidity of the water and reduces the load on the remainder of the treatment system. The next step is the ultrafiltration system. The ultrafiltration system consists of a membrane made up of hollow fibers with countless 0.02 micrometer pores. When the water passes rapidly through the holes in this porous membrane, fine particles, bacteria, and viruses are removed from the water, and the water's turbidity is reduced even more. The water now enters the reverse osmosis system. Here, the water is pressurized, and reverse osmosis membranes are used to remove total dissolved solids, hardness, total organic carbon, and ammonia nitrogen from the water, leaving superior reclaimed water. The final step is pressurization in the transmission and distribution system, which sends the reclaimed water to users. In this process, the water monitoring system performs constant monitoring, providing solid assurance of superior water quality. Water affects our lives profoundly, gives our world growth and vitality, and allows possibilities to be realized. The Fengshan Water Resources Center, Taiwan's first water reclamation plant, has successfully increased Taiwan's water supply, advanced Taiwan's water resource technology, and brought Taiwan a new future of sustainable water resources.